Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome to eReviews. I know it's been a while since my last upload, but I was held up moving to Canada for my higher education. Everything's fine now and I've settled down, so do expect regular videos on the channel, which means don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon for notifications. Having conveyed that message, let's start with the top apps for the month of November. Kicking off the list is Pronounce. This app is as simple as it sounds. It helps you with pronouncing words. Canadian culture and names have strong native and European influence. I see a lot of students, including myself, struggle with pronunciation and dialect. That's where an app like Pronounce comes into play. All you have to do is type in the name and get the pronunciation. You can also highlight the word anywhere on your phone and use this app to get the right pronunciation. As you can see, this app is built for speed and functionality. Really handy one, go check it out. Second on the list is Picnic. Have you ever been put off by a cloudy day or just hate clear blue skies cause it's too boring to upload on Instagram? Well, Picnic will change just that. It makes photos of a cloudy or bright daylight to a beautiful sunset. Fire up the app, point it towards the sky and replace the sky with any effect of your choice. Given the right composition and timing, you can pull off some really amazing shots with this application. Next up on the list is Control Center. iOS 11 has brought in several changes to the iPhone, and the most visual one is the Control Center. It has become more intuitive in my opinion. But if you're an Android person like me and want to swipe up for a change, then Control Center iOS 11 is the app for you. It's the closest app to the real thing, and the best part is it simply works. I haven't experienced any glitches or crashes in my time using it, and I've kind of gotten used to the swipe up gesture, so I highly recommend it. Have you ever come across this annoying message? Well, I have. This is common in older generation phones with less internal storage despite having an external SD card. This is where MoveIt comes into the picture. You can now move any media file that's unnecessarily occupying internal space to your SD card. The app has a robust scanner and cleaner to make things easy for you. All you have to do is just fire it up and it'll show you what are the files that you need to move to your SD card. Also, it's made by a firm in Bengaluru, so I have the feel-good factor of supporting a fellow city man, so definitely give this app a shot. The new fad in smartphone cameras is the portrait mode. Some phones do it with the help of dual camera setups, and the others do it using a single camera setup but with the assistance of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, most of us aren't rich enough to upgrade to these new smartphones with these great cameras, so here's our solution. Autofocus. This app lets you get the DSLR style blurry background by just drawing some lines. Yeah, it's that simple. Just select the subject you want to focus, then select the background and voila, you have a portrait photo. Of course, it isn't perfect when compared to the flagships, but hey, something is better than nothing. Cinemagraphs are a new craze on social media. Well, at least for the mainstream user. But if you know a thing or two about photography or videography, you know how time consuming these things are. Well, Loopy is an app that helps you make cinemagraphs on the fly. It's very similar to autofocus in terms of usability, meaning you just have to shoot a small clip of a moving object and later select the region to create an amazing cinematograph. Go on, show off this method to your followers and impress them. Also, if you decide to upload a cinematograph on any social media, tag me in it. I'd love to see your creativity. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. I really hope you found some of these apps useful, and if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll definitely consider them for the next Top Apps edition. This is Santosh signing off for eReviews. You guys have a great month ahead.